Fast way to remove parasites from your body. How to get rid of pinworms at rocket speed. Pinworms made my life miserable for 3 months before I finally figured out how to eliminate them completely. The constant itching kept me awake every night, the embarrassment stopped me from telling anyone, and nothing from the pharmacy worked longer than a few days. Then I learned the specific method that actually breaks their life cycle permanently. The nightmare started subtly last winter. Mild itching at night that I ignored for weeks, assuming it was dry skin. Then the itching became unbearable, specifically at night when pinworms migrate to lay eggs. I felt exhausted from sleep deprivation, anxious about the problem, and frustrated that over-the-counter treatments kept failing. Here's what actually happens with pinworms. These tiny white parasites live in your intestines and come out at night to lay thousands of eggs around your anal area. The eggs cause intense itching, you scratch in your sleep, eggs get under your fingernails, and you reinfect yourself the next day. Breaking this cycle requires attacking multiple points simultaneously. The speed of reinfection shocked me most. Pinworm eggs become infectious within 6 hours of being laid. They survive on surfaces for 2 to 3 weeks, according to the Centers for Disease Control. This explains why single treatments failed. I kept reinfecting myself from contaminated surfaces and fingernails. Pyrantel Pamoate became my first weapon. This over-the-counter medication paralyzes adult pinworms so your body can expel them naturally. The key mistake I made initially was taking only 1 dose. The proper method requires a second dose exactly 2 weeks later to kill newly hatched worms from eggs that survived the first treatment. Timing the doses correctly made the difference between failure and success. Taking medication on day 1 kills adult worms, but eggs hatch 7 to 14 days later. That second dose on day 14 catches the new generation before they mature and lay more eggs. Missing this second dose guarantees reinfection. Hygiene changes mattered more than medication, honestly. I started showering every morning immediately upon waking, before touching anything. This washes away eggs laid during the night before they spread to surfaces. Regular bathing actually prevents reinfection more effectively than medication alone. Nail trimming became obsessive but necessary. Short fingernails prevent eggs from collecting underneath where hand washing misses them. I trimmed mine weekly and scrubbed under them with a nail brush twice daily. This simple step dramatically reduced my reinfection rate. Laundering everything in hot water simultaneously on treatment day proved critical. Pinworm eggs die at temperatures above 130 degrees Fahrenheit. I washed all bedding, towels, and underwear in the hottest water possible on both medication days. The Journal of Pediatric Infectious Diseases confirms this kills eggs effectively. Changing underwear and pajamas daily prevented overnight reinfection. Eggs concentrate on these items during sleep. Wearing tight underwear to bed reduced nighttime scratching and egg spread. I bag dirty clothes immediately instead of leaving them in the hamper where eggs become airborne. Vacuuming replaced sweeping completely. Sweeping launches eggs into the air where they resettle on surfaces or get inhaled. Vacuuming with a HEPA filter traps eggs permanently. I vacuumed daily for 3 weeks, focusing on bedrooms and bathrooms where egg concentration peaks. Bathroom protocol changed entirely. I disinfected toilet seats, door handles, and light switches twice daily with bleach solution. Washing hands obsessively after every bathroom visit and before every meal stopped the hand-to-mouth transmission cycle that perpetuates infection. The nighttime itching required specific management. Applying petroleum jelly around the anal area before bed created a barrier that trapped emerging worms and prevented egg laying. This reduced itching substantially and decreased egg spread to bedding. Dietary changes supported the elimination process. Garlic and pumpkin seeds, while not treatments alone, create an intestinal environment less hospitable to parasites. I added both daily to support the medication's effects. Family treatment became necessary even though only I had symptoms. Pinworms spread easily among household members who show no symptoms but carry and spread eggs. Everyone taking medication simultaneously on the same schedule prevented ping-pong reinfection between family members. Reinfection from outside sources required vigilance. Children bring pinworms home from school constantly. Public restrooms pose infection risks. I maintained strict hand hygiene and avoided touching my face, especially after being in public spaces.